Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines. I've applied them before starting the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So right now, in order to get to reset settings, we have to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and enter the settings. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset. Your device will ask you if you really want to restore all camera settings to default, so let's tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and this is the very first evidence that we just reset the settings, because here we've got the privacy statement, which is displayed when you're opening the camera for the very first time. So let's just agree, and as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, so it means that for sure we just reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.